Hi, this is B. Ramesh Kumar. Now welcome to our favorite channel Sri Ganit Vignan Sarvaswam. Now this time to solve one problem in the vectors using sort trick. Now that problem is so the problem is if the vectors a bar equals to 3a bar plus j bar minus 2k bar and b bar equals to minus I bar plus 3j bar plus 4k bar and c bar equals to 4i bar minus 2j bar minus 6k bar. Now these three vectors form the triangle. So these are sides of the triangle. Then length of the median bisecting the vector c bar is. So here to find the length of the median bisecting the vector c bar. So first of all we draw one diagram. Now the diagram is this is the triangle. Here let us assume that the base side will be taken c bar and the remaining adjacent sides are a bar and b bar. Now we draw one median through c bar. Bisects c bar. Then the length of the median is. So here three vectors are given. So first of all we find the unit vectors, the magnitude of the vectors, that is mod a bar equals to square root of 3 square 9 plus 1 square 1 plus minus 2 whole square plus 4, that equals to square root of 14. So which implies mod a square value equals to 14. Similarly, mod b bar equals to square root of minus 1 whole square 1 plus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16, that equals to 10 plus 16 26, which implies mod b bar square equals to only 26. Similarly, to find magnitude of c bar, square root of 4 square 16 plus minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square plus 36, that equals to square root of 20 plus 36 equals to 56. Here mod c bar square equals to 56. Now using the formula of the length of the median, that is through c bar. So length of the median through c bar equals to 1 by 2 into square root of 2 into mod a square plus mod b square minus mod c square. This is the formula of the length of the median through c bar. So using this formula and substitute the values of mod a square and mod b bar square and mod c bar square. That is 1 by 2 into square root of 2 into mod a bar square 14 plus mod b bar square 26 minus mod c bar square 56. Here 1 by 2 into square root of 40 into 2 80 minus 56, that equals to 1 by 2 into square root 24. That value will be 4 6 jar 24. Here 2 root 6 by 2, that value equals to root 6. So this is the length of the median through the vector c bar. Similarly, we find the length of the median through a bar and the length of the median through b bar also. Now the formulas are length of the median through a bar, that equals to 1 by 2 into, now replacing in this formula 2 into here through a bar. Now the replacing by mod b bar square plus mod c bar square and subtract a bar square. Mod a bar square. Similarly, the length of the median through b bar equals to 1 by 2 into square root of 2 into through b bar square. So here replaced by mod a bar square plus mod c bar square minus mod b bar square. So these are the formulas of length of the median through a bar and b bar. So using these formulas to find remaining lengths also. So this is the solution for this problem. This is very short, very useful short trick for the vectors. So thank you.